Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well today. Today's Friday. Hope you all have a great day and a great weekend. Hope everybody stays safe. Are you a gambler? If you garden or farm, technically you're a gambler, because you plant that stuff with hopes and dreams of it coming up, and there's a bunch of stuff out there lurking to try to kill it off, eat it. We're getting ready to pick some beans. Notice there it's got nailhead rust in places. So we're going to go ahead and pick the pink tips and save what we can out of them. Now, it's not all of it. This evening there, I'll go through and spray it down real good, try to keep it contained. The bad ones, we went ahead and just pulled them out of the garden. And that's another thing. You don't mess with your beans while they're wet, dew or anything. That stuff will really spread like wildfire in there then. But no, I thought that'd be a thing. I may, if YouTube will let me, that may be what I title the hashtag. Are you a gambler? We're picking beans here today. Carolyn's done beat me out here, Carolyn and Dixie. I had to go let the goats out up there on my side. These are pink tips. On the other side over there, the other is the greasy beans. Of course, you can see Japanese beetles. And there's bees is really working the blooms. This is the pink tips here.
That's why they call them pink tips. They gotta...
Can't see it that good. We're out here in the sun. Hopefully you can see it there. We're going to go through and pick what's ready of them. And then this evening I'm going to spray the beans again. They're starting to get rust on them now.
Some of these nailhead.
You can see it there.
We'll just break them around it.
Alrighty. Folks, I don't know when it shut off. Me and Carolyn was down here picking, and I just happened to go up, was going to bring it down here and show you. We can get in for the beans here. Hopefully you're seeing them. It said their device had got overheated and stopped recording, so I don't know when it did actually stop recording. But we'll keep working on it through here. Drop that one. Now really, these pink tips, you leave them go a little bit longer till they start getting more pink on them. But since we found that nailhead rust, we went ahead and thought we'd come out here and pick them now. The ones that's close to being ready. We still got a long ways to go in this row. Now these ones here, we'll let them go. Like I said, this evening I'll come out here and spray them. There. We've been putting sulfur on them. That's supposed to help keep them from getting nail head rust, but we did have some heavy rain for several days in a row. Now there's still plenty of bloom on them up here, so hopefully they'll come out of it. Give them several days of dry weather before some more rain moves in. I hear another hawk up there. I'd run Mom and them some beans over to them. And there's a bunch of crows flying after the hawk. Luckily, the crows has been sticking around close this year. Make sure, yeah, they're in there, son of a nest. Now pole beans are a whole lot easier once they get a little bit further up. Like I said, I like using the cattle panels. Just we didn't have enough cattle panels for all these beans. The first picking's always the hardest. That's where they all start off on the bottom. Luckily through this section, nailhead rust don't seem too awful bad. Yet anyway. And you always want to wait till the dew gets off your beans before you go to start picking them, because if there is any disease when they're wet like that there and you're handling them, it spreads like wildfire. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take you all on into the house where it's cooler. Alrighty, here's our harvest hour for today. I took Mom and them over some out of this. This is what we got left. I just took them a mess. We'll have to go through and break out the ones that's got the rust on it. That one's a bad one. Probably haul the beans out for it. But no. Well, I hope y'all have a blessed week. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Monday.
The sun comes up across the mountain sky, morning dew and a rooster's cry, garden row stretching far and wide, another summer day on the countryside, tomatoes growing, beans on the vine, sweet corn standing tall in line, the flowers blooming red, yellow, and gold, simple country treasures worth more than gold. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still, with flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. The tractor's rolling through the hayfield green, one of the prettiest sights I've ever seen. Fresh cut hay and a warm summer breeze, the kind of life that puts your mind at ease. Carolyn's picking flowers by the gate, while supper's cooking and the day runs late. The garden's giving more than we can hold, another homestead story waiting to be told. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still, with flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. We've seen the sunrise and the evening glow, watched little seedlings grow, row by row, made memories here that money can't buy. Under these Appalachian skies, it's summertime on Holmans Homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still, with flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. So thank you all for coming along with us, for every comment, sharing all your love. We hope you'll join us down the road ahead, here on Holmans Homestead today.